Hello, good morning, namaskar. Today we'll learn one of the package of Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint. With different versions of PowerPoint 2007, 16 or 2019. So first of all we have to know the uses of PowerPoint. So PowerPoint presentations consist of a number of individual pages or slides. Okay, so that slides may contain text, graphics, movies and other objects which may be arranged freely. Okay, so the presentation can be printed or displayed live on a computer or navigated through at the command of the presenter. Okay, we can make more number of slides whatever require, and we can make our slides design attractively. So more uses will learn. It can be good at presenting things visually, charts, graphics, etc. So you can see the image. These are the charts, graphics we can prepare, and it is easy to create, and it can incorporate other media also, and it enhances your message, and it good for presenting a map for your talk so that audience can understand properly, and it can be easily understandable. Okay, some basic uses of PowerPoint in teaching, like slides. We can make slides projected digitally or from transparencies. It is a clear information and professional look it will give, and a single master file for different uses. And also we can think about that uses handouts in different formats. We can make different formats handouts, and it structured notes, clear diagrams we can make with space for student notes. Okay, and for web copy of .ppt file, that is the extension file name of PowerPoint is .ppt or pptx, and it impaired students need prior electronic copy for revision with color or any other details we can give. So now we'll learn how to open Microsoft PowerPoint. So just click on Windows button, then click on Microsoft Office, then click on Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So this type of window will appear. So this is the blank area where we will write the topic. So here you will click to add title, and about the topic here you will click and click to add subtitle. Okay, so and this is called title bar. Whatever file name you can give, it will mention detail here. And so this is called office button. You will click there. So you will get more options: new, open, save, save as, print, preview, prepare, send, publish and close. Okay, if you want to do new presentation, so just click on the new option that blank presentation or already installed templates are there. Just click and choose any of the template, or blank and recent blank presentation, click and create, click. So this type of window will appear. Or if you want to open the existing presentation, or already you have saved any presentation, just open, click and choose any of the presentation. Okay, so here you can write the topic name, and you can write about the topic here. Okay, suppose you want to give the picture color design, background color. So here click on design option, design. So many inbuilt designs are there. Just click on any of the design, click there, so it will display. Okay, so now suppose you want to add new slides, more pages. So just click on home tab, then click on new slide, choose any of the format, which format you want, or any blank layout, then click there. So it will show you like this. And if you want to add one image that you have already saved in your desktop or anywhere, just click on right click, format background, and picture, click picture or texture fill, then file, click and choose any of the image whatever you want. Okay, just then insert, click, close. So here you can notice that your background, that image is not visible properly, right side and left side also. So what you will do, their format background is just here the offsets, left, right, top, bottom, margin, just make it 0, both are left and right and top and bottom, then close, click. Okay, so now you can see the image, whatever image you will add, it will show here. Okay, so like this more number of slides we can add, and we can give design, color, or format background is there we can add picture, image, color, one color, two color we can give also. Here you can see solid fill, gradient fill, already inbuilt color is there. Picture or texture fill you will click, then you can add picture. Pattern fill is there, pattern color also you can give. And if you want to hide the background graphics color, then click on tick mark on hide background graphics. Okay, so these are the menus, we can say tab. So file for home, insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review, view, and these are the quick access toolbar. You can directly here also save, undo, redo, you can do it. Okay, so now we'll learn how to give animations. So animation tab is there, just click So if you want to give a page animation, slide animation, just choose any one of the animation design options, any one, click there. And if you want to sentence wise, point wise you want to add animation, just select custom animation here, click, then add effect, more entrance, emphasis, exit, motion paths, different animation effects are there. Suppose you will click on entrance, more effects, so here it will show different effects. You can choose any of the effects or design, just see. And then OK, click. OK. We can give also only the single that layout, art title. Here we can give the color also. Shape in a home tab, shape fill option, click and choose any of the color design. Like this we can do also. OK. And shape outline also there. We can give the outline color. If you want to make this text size bigger, so here options are there. Size increase as much you need, click there. And font color is there, A option, click. You can choose any of the color. And here bold, click, italic, underline, all these things are there. You can do it. So alignment is there, left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, justify. So here we will give the center alignment, middle of the layout, that is your topic. And those who have installed Office 2013 or 16, so click on animations, add animation option is there, just click and choose one of the option, animation effect, one click and see the changes of text. And also we can give the timing of the effect, transition effect we can give. If you want to add a border design to make your text stylish, just select your text, click on border, choose any type of design. OK. And we can add insert picture, clip art picture also we can add. Here we'll write or just go click. We can choose any of the picture or picture name you write, it will show you. So here any picture will add here. OK. Like this clip art picture also we can add, and we can format that picture of any of the design. OK. So now we can add sound, audio, sound from file. Just go to insert, click and then insert sound option. Then like this dialog box will come. You choose one song, audio for your presentation, then open, click. OK. If you want to add a movie, so movie from file you just click, choose one movie, then OK, click. Just here choose one option, automatically or when clicked. It will click automatically. When will make slideshow full screen, it will show you automatically. Just see. We can extend the size of the movie. So like this video will display. So another important feature is just click on insert, chart option click. There is a column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart is there. Just click on column chart, select one chart option, then click OK click. So here we can change edit data click. Here we can change also whatever data we have in Excel format, we can write there. Okay, you can notice here whatever I am changing, it is showing here in PowerPoint presentation. Then close the Excel file, it will show you the chart or graph format. Okay, and another feature is Smart Art feature. Also insert click, Smart Art click. Here choose one option, then OK click. It will show you the Smart Art feature. And another feature is hyperlink. If you want to link any file, just select the location where you have saved, and OK click. It will show you the hyperlink pages. Okay, so now this is all about your PowerPoint presentation, slide design. Another video you will learn more information about PowerPoint. So this is all about your PowerPoint. Thank you. Bye bye. Keep watching our computer learning channel and like and subscribe. Thank you.